everybody. Standard 7, subject Social Science, Chapter 4, Mughal Empire Established and Extension. ये चैप्टर आपका एक्सप्लेन हो गया, इसके ब्रीफली आंसर मैंने करवा दिए. अब आपको मैं इसकी जो शॉर्ट नोट है मीन्स लेट अस लर्न वो करवाऊंगी, ठीक है. नंबर 1, अकबर इज नोन एज अ सक्सेसफुल रूलर. Akbar was a brave, clever, strong and intelligent emperor. He was skilled all subjects. The emperor encouraged politics, literature, architecture and religion. He executed many bold reforms in the country. These are as follows. Akbar had appointed many capable Hindus in high position in his court and distributed them important and confidential issues. Akbar accepted Todarma's policy of taking land revenue and done many reforms in the taxes for the welfare of public. Number 2, Shershah is known as a reformer. Shershah Suri was an Afghan leader who had progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun twice before he established the Sur dynasty in Delhi. In 1540, he extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. He had brought many reforms during his period, so he is well known as a reformer in history. During his rule over Delhi for 5 years, he introduced many reforms in this short period and therefore better known as a reformer than a warrior. His reforms are as follows. With the help of Todarma, he prepared a table for revenue collection based on the type of land and production. He had abolished toll taxes so that there would be free transportation of goods. He had set up mint houses to mint silver coins uniform in weight. Number 3, Maharana Pratap is known for his steadfast determination. Akbar maintained good relationship with those Rajput rulers who had accepted his supremacy, but Maharana Pratap's courageous Sisodia Rajput did not accept Akbar's supremacy and so fought against Akbar boldly, bravely and continuously. Akbar wanted to set up his rule in Mewar. Therefore, many battles were fought between Mewar and Delhi, among which the Battle of Haldighati is considered to be most important battle between the two. Next, information आपको राणा प्रताप and Akbar. Maharana Pratap was from the family of Rana Sangha Hamid, Ratan Singh, Uday Singh, who were very strong and brave. So Maharana Pratap was also strong and brave like his family. Maharana Pratap fought against Akbar continuously till the end but did not accept Mughal supremacy. In the battle for Haldighati, Maharana Pratap and his horse Chetak attained Mantridom and that can never be forgotten. Akbar had a huge well-equipped army with modern weapons, cannons, guns, power in sufficient numbers and artilleries. Whereas the Maharana Pratap had the advantage of his chivalrous Rajput warriors who live in the forest and were therefore used to fighting when in hilly areas. 9 gems of Akbar. Akbar's court was full of intelligent scholars. The 9 gems of Akbar's court had popularity in the world. These 9 gems of Akbar's court were as following. Todarman, the expert revenue and land divan. King Man Singh, the leader of Daksh army. Number 3, Abul Fazal, the historian and writer Ain Akbari and Akbaranam. Tansen, the famous singer. Mullah Piazza, the clever and jolly courtier. Mahistas Birbal, the quick-witted and trickster. Humayun, the famous Vidya physician, Faizi, the renowned poet, Abdul Rahim, the Hindi writer. अभी क्या है? 3 religious meeting of Akbar. Akbar was a practitioner of religious tolerance. To discuss religious matters, he regularly organized religious meets in the prayer hall at a Sikri. At this meeting, he called scholars of religion. Such meetings were held on every Friday. Accepting good participants of religions, Akbar founded Din-e-Ilahi, a new religion to unite Hindu and Muslim. He was greatly influenced by Jain Rishi of Gujarat, that he stopped to kill animals on some holidays. He also did not eat non-veg in his food. He had done translation work of religious books like the Ramayana, Mahabharata and the Bible in Parsi language. ये आपके शॉर्ट नोट्स हो गई हैं. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके मैं आपको आउट द रॉन्ग पार्ट जो सही स्टेटमेंट है वो करवाऊंगी. ठीक है. थैंक यू.